how to find profile and tagging settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find profile and tagging settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Go down and click settings, and then go down again until you find profile and tagging. Now just click on it, and as you see here you can manage profile and tagging settings on Facebook Lite, like who can post on your profile, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.